Hello everyone, welcome back to day 9 on our 30 days editing series. Oh wow, day 9, that is good. So if you have been following me, let me know in the comment section. Maybe you have been putting into practice all that we have been learning from day 1. So in today's video, I'm going to show us how we are going to put text behind a person. And this text that we are putting behind the person, don't forget that CapCut is not free. So we are going to use 2 applications to record this. We are going to use InShot and we are going to use CapCut. And then what I want to do is I'm going to teach us how we are going to use InShot and CapCut together. Then I will now come back at the end of the video. I'm now going to show us how we are going to use it only on CapCut, which is Pro. My account is Pro, just for somebody that has Pro account. That is why I want to use the opportunity to show such a person as well. So without wasting much of our time, let's continue. One important point to take note is that I also create video based on the request of my viewers or subscribers. So if you want me to create a video on any topics that are related to my niche, put it in the comment section what you want me to create, and then I will definitely make video for you. So now we are in our CapCut, and then we have already import the clips that we want to use. So in this clip, what you are just going to do is you are going to write the text, and then after you write the text, you are going to change the font as you want, change the style as you want, then make sure you add transition to your text. So you are adding text first. Let's add text first. So this is text. What did you want to add? You just add text behind person fet. So use your 2 hands to adjust it. Then you go to font. You change the font. Okay, I think I love this font. This font, I love it. Then you come to style. You write it the way you want. If you want to change the style, you can add the style like this, anyhow you want it. Okay, it's your video. Then you come to effects. Did you want to put effects? No. You come to animation. Animation is very, very important. Okay, in text animation. So we are going to do in and out animation. So we'll go to in. You choose how did you want it to come in. You want it to come in pop up, or you want it to come in from side. In this type of video, it's better it come in from side. So we are going to look for slide in, like slide left. Let's check it out. We are looking for slide. Okay, yeah, like something like this. It's coming from there. You can increase it. You know, I've already taught us coming in. This one will be slow to come in. Then you can have to put out again. How did you want to go out? To go out to the left or right, up or down, or fade. So you click on out here. It's very animation is very good, or you fade it anyhow you want it to leave the screen. So it's you that you choose the one that is best for your video. Okay, so I'm going to look for one out effect that's okay. The way it comes, you can just go like that again, and then you can try to reduce this so that the text at least can stay a little bit. This distance means that the text will just stay a little bit on the screen before it will now move out. So you click on OK. So what you will do is you make the text to be the same with the video. Okay, you can see the text will be the same with the video, and it will go out. So once you have done this, the next thing you are going to do is you are going to export the text, the video. So export it now. So part 1 has been done. So what we are going to do now, we are now going to our InShot. As you know, I've said it from the beginning, CapCut is not free. So InShot is the one that is free. So before we go to the InShot, let me show you how to finish it in CapCut for Pro. Then the next one, wait for it, because the last one is going to be for people that are not using Pro accounts. So you go back again, you go and choose new project. We are adding a new project, and you're going to bring in the video that you just exported. So that is what we are going to bring in. So you tap on the video, it's going to be the first one. You see the way the video enter. So once it's there, so what you are going to do, you can see it here. What you are going to do is you are going to bring in the normal clip, the original clip. You go and bring it press plus. Okay, you go and click, choose it and bring it in. Okay, so what you are going to do, you tap on it and you go and look for overlay down here. Overlay, yes, this is overlay. It will bring it down, and you drag it under the the video, make sure they are the same. Then you cut it because it's too long. You cut it, we trim it, or you cut it. Okay, you can see that it's too long. And what you are going to do in this one is tap on that video that you bring as overview. We are going to remove the background. So let's go and remove the background now. Remove BG, and then you can see I said it is paid, but don't worry, I got you covered. I'm going to show you how we are going to remove it free without paying with the same text. So you tap on it, so you click on remove. You see that it's applying because it's a paid feature to remove the background. And then once it's done, you tap on OK. So you have removed the background. Make sure the video is the same, so that they will not show that you did anything. So after you have done all this, the next thing you're going to do is let's preview it. Let's play it and see how the text will come behind me. So you can see, so simple in CapCut, because it's paid, it's simple. So that is, you see the way it went out. Then what you're going to do, you're going to tap on export, and you export it, and then you go and use it in your normal video that you want to use it. So that is part 1. Then the part 2 now, let's go to InShot now. So you're in InShot application now. Once you are in your InShot application, you tap on video. When you're in your video, you tap on plus. So the plus means you want to bring in video. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to import that video that you want to bring in. Okay, first of all, okay, bring in the one that we have already edited, the one that we edit with text in CapCut. You bring it in here. You know, this one is the one that we edited in CapCut that has text. Okay, easy. You don't need to come and do that one here. The one you do in CapCut, you bring it here. So after you have brought it, you now want to bring in the one that you want to use as overlay on it. In CapCut, in here they don't call it as overlay, they call it PIP in InShot here. So you tap on InShot, then you go and bring the same video that we use, which is this one. You bring it on it. What you do, you drag it to make it equal, then you split it so that it will be the same. Let's split it. You tap on it, you see split at the top here. You tap on the split, you delete this one, we don't need it. Okay, so you delete what we don't need. What you are going to do in this one is tap on this one above. You see in this place is above, make it equal. Make sure they are equal in size. Okay, it is equal. And then you're going to remove the background of this one from here. So you look for cut out here. You go and look for cut out here. Then you click on cut out again. So you wait for it to count down. So once it's gone down, you can click OK. So you check, you see. Let's play it. Voila. So you can see this is easy to do. I showed you how to do it in CapCut for pro people, and then I showed you how to do it. This one is free. Then you can come here. If you want to use it in continuing your editing in CapCut, you download it, you tap on this plus, so you can see it is there. Then you tap on this plus, and then you can go and use it in CapCut, which is so easy, like ABC. Okay, we have come to the end of today's tutorial on how to put text behind a person effect. You can see that it is easy to do step by step. Just follow it. It's not hard to do. Just follow it, and then you are good to go. So thank you for joining me today. Then our challenge for today is go into your gallery as usual. Go into your gallery, try this out, put a text behind yourself, and then tag me in the comment section so that I can come to your page and see how you were able to achieve this, whether with InShot or CapCut. Let me know which of the application that you use to achieve your own. Let me know. Tag me, tag at Grow With Ganny on your YouTube. Then let me know. Even on Facebook, Grow With Ganny. On TikTok, Ganny Fadi. Tag me, let me know. Okay, so that let me see how you were able to achieve your own as well. So with that, I will say thank you for watching. My name remains Ganny, and this is Grow With Ganny. Thank you for watching. I will see you in date 10. Bye.